Look at our world from a distance. It's beautiful. A delicate blue sphere suspended in the dark abyss of space, surrounded by the emptiness of the cosmos. It appears unshaken, unbroken, but that appearance is an illusion. For beneath the surface of our peaceful existence lies a constant threat, one that has existed since the formation of our solar system: the potential for destruction. We've come a long way from the chaos of our origins, but that history still haunts us. Earth, as magnificent as it is fragile, an oasis in an otherwise hostile universe. And it is this very fragility that makes us vulnerable to forces beyond our comprehension. When our solar system was born, it was a place of violent upheaval. A storm of gas and dust collided, merged, and shattered in a process that led to the creation of the planets. But even as Earth formed and took its place in orbit, countless fragments, asteroids and comets, continued to roam the vastness of space. These leftover fragments of creation weren't discarded. They became the building blocks of destruction. And now, these objects continue to orbit our sun, some of them on paths that occasionally bring them dangerously close to Earth. Over time, we've become aware of their presence. These near-Earth objects, or NEOs, are remnants of the chaos that birthed our solar system. They drift silently, often unnoticed, but their potential for havoc remains. In the vast scale of the universe, we are no more than a speck, an island of life in an infinite sea of stars and rubble. And one small change in trajectory, one collision, could send one of these objects careening toward us. That's when the real danger begins. Most of these asteroids stay out in the asteroid belt, far from our planet. They are a distant reminder of the early solar system's violent past. But some of these objects are nearby. These are the NEOs, asteroids whose orbits intersect with Earth's. They come closer and closer with each passing year. While most of them are too small to be of concern, some are massive, the size of a mountain or even a city. Some could be capable of decimating entire continents. Imagine, just for a moment, an asteroid on a collision course with Earth. At first, it's only a pinpoint of light in the distance, but it's growing. As it approaches, the sky darkens, and the atmosphere begins to ripple with the shock waves of its speed. It's not a question of if we'll detect it, but whether we can act in time to stop it. And that's the true danger, the unknown, the unpredictability of these cosmic travelers. The threat is not just theoretical. 66 million years ago, an asteroid collided with Earth in what we call the Chicxulub impact. The impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, enough to alter the course of life on Earth forever. It wasn't just the shock wave, the earthquakes, or the wildfires. It was the darkness, an impenetrable cloud of debris that blocked out the sun, plunging Earth into a global winter. The temperatures dropped, the skies went black, and in that frozen world, life struggled to survive. The dinosaurs, the mighty rulers of the planet, perished. For them, there was no escape. It was a turning point in the history of Earth, one where extinction came without warning. But for those who survived, the world rebounded. Life adapted, new species arose, and in the wake of the devastation, the Earth continued on, its life cycle forever marked by the scars of that ancient impact. But today, we stand at the edge of that same possibility. An asteroid strike could reshape life on Earth again, but this time, it could be us who vanish. We live in an age of technology and progress. We've conquered space, we've mapped the entire genome, and we've connected the world in ways that would have seemed impossible just a century ago. We believe ourselves to be masters of our fate, and yet, We exist on the same planet that has seen life wiped out before. We may have created cities that rise higher than mountains, technologies that touch the stars, but we still stand vulnerable to the same forces that have shaped Earth since its birth. Our world is increasingly interconnected. Our lives, dependent on intricate systems, electricity, transportation, agriculture, communication, are vulnerable to disruption. An asteroid strike, especially one on a large scale, could bring society to its knees. Imagine the power grid failing. Imagine communications going silent. Imagine food supplies running out. Civilization could quickly unravel. And what would we do then? What could we do? We don't have to imagine it. In 1908, the Tunguska event in Siberia showed us the potential of an asteroid's power. A 50-meter asteroid exploded with the force of a hydrogen bomb, leveling an area the size of a major city. But it didn't hit a city. It hit a remote part of the world, and for that, we were lucky. And then in 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over Russia, injuring over 1,500 people. Its explosion was felt across an area the size of several countries. Again, we were lucky. But what if our luck runs out? A larger asteroid, one that struck a populated area, could destroy everything we hold dear. The destruction wouldn't just be in the immediate aftermath. It would ripple across society, disrupting everything from food production to healthcare, transportation, and national security. Yet, there is hope. We are not powerless in the face of this threat. Humanity has come together to face this challenge. NASA's DART mission, launched in 2022, was a world-changing experiment. For the first time in history, we deliberately altered the trajectory of an asteroid. It wasn't just a test, it was proof that we can defend our world. The possibility of deflecting a deadly asteroid, changing its orbit before it strikes, is no longer science fiction. It is a reality. But this is just the beginning. We need to build on these efforts, increase funding for asteroid detection programs, and develop new technologies for defense. We need to act, and we need to act together. Because the next asteroid might not give us as much time to prepare. The scale of this threat is too great for any single nation to tackle alone. It is a global issue that requires a unified response. Scientists, engineers, and governments must cooperate across borders to monitor, track, and, if necessary, defend against asteroids. This is not just a scientific problem. It's a human problem, and it demands our collective action. For all the progress we've made, we must remember one crucial fact. We are not invincible. But that does not mean we are without hope. We have the tools to save ourselves. What we need now is the will to act, to create the systems that will safeguard us from the cosmic threats above. Look up. The night sky is both our greatest wonder and our greatest warning. It is a canvas full of stars, planets, and mysteries. But it is also a reminder of the immensity of the universe and how fragile we are within it. Yet, we are also capable of extraordinary things. We have the power to protect our world. We have the technology, the knowledge, and the will to defend it. But we must choose to act, now, before the chance slips away. Could an asteroid wipe out humanity? Yes, it could. But we don't have to wait for that to happen. We can defend our future together. The sky above us is not just a threat, it is an opportunity. It is a challenge that we can face head-on, and we can prevail. The future of humanity is not written in the stars. It is written in our actions, in our determination, and in our unity. Let us rise to this challenge. Let us prove that we are worthy of the world we call home.